So before we get started, let me ask a question to Parveen. Parveen, if I ask you a question, if you think of any big organization, which is the organization you like most?
Amazon, Google, many,
Um,
many.
Many are there, Amazon, Google, many are. Okay. So, Anna, assuming that you are in a Amazon, okay, as a country head of India, okay. So now, if I ask you a question, what are the different ways of storing and processing the data you find in any big organization like Amazon, Anna?
Some big data.
Okay,
Then we have metadata management.
very good.
Then we have data warehouse.
Okay, wonderful. So, anything else apart from that, Malini? I think Anna said big data, data
Just
warehouse. What are the other things in a data
JSON
ecosystem?
files, XML
File,
files.
files, very good.
Yeah.
Files also are there. Anything else, Vineet, apart from that?
Da- Database.
Database, wonderful. Okay, so when we talk about any organization, the data ecosystem of any organization would contain files, would contain RDBMS, would contain data warehouse, okay, and would contain the MDM, would contain the big data as well. So different systems are used for different purposes. The data stored here will be different from data warehouse. The data stored here will be different from here, from here, from here. Maybe within the RDBMS itself, there may be some different versions, different and all those things. If we have to access the data, let us say a particular engineer or business analyst or somebody wants to access the data from different systems for his analysis. What they have to do?
They need data and they will collect the data from different data sources.
Yes. So basically, they need to connect to the different data sources. Now, when we are talking about connecting to the storages, different this one, when I'm saying it, it looks very easy. On the ground, you have to struggle a lot to access and do the analysis and make use of the data stored in different systems. On top of this, we have a cloud systems like in Azure, in GCP, in Amazon Web Services, right? So if you think of different storages, different analytical loads, different analytical engines, different cloud infrastructures, the data is in a different places. First of all, identify where the data is there, then connect, then get the data, and then we'll not have the same data. We'll modify the data, and again it will be there. So there are a lot of hassles in maintaining the data in different systems. That is solved by
One lake.
absolutely. Okay. One lake resolves these challenges. Okay. Let us talk about one lake now. Okay. Vinith, what do you mean by one lake?
Data from multiple sources is stored in a big data warehouse kind of thing. That whole thing is called one lake or data lake.
Okay. So one lake is a single unified logical data lake for your whole organization. Just pay attention to this for whole organization. But let us understand how is it solving the challenge. Okay. So one lake is a single unified logical data lake for your whole organization. Please pay attention to this. Muthuminal, whole organization. For one organization, there is one lake. Okay. Now, when we talk about the one lake, the data in the one lake is stored in a Parquet file system. Then you may ask, what is Parquet file system? People may pronounce it in a different way, Parquet or Parquet. Okay. We are talking about a file system here. Okay. This file system, we call it as a columnar file format. Okay. So, have you heard of any other file formats, Anna?
Our CSV, dot,
Absolutely. Yes. Then what else?
XML,
XML. Yeah, there are different file formats. CSV is the one which you guys have exposed, right? CSV is there, and we have JSON,
Yes.
XLS, and those are the file format. In the similar way, Parquet is one of the very, very wonderful file format, which is a columnar compressed file format. Okay. So OneLake is using the Delta Parquet file system under the hood to store the data.